भाई भाई ये बैसबॉल का क्या ख्याल है?
ये चल रहा है अभी,
हाँ।
जो आप पहले करते थे अब ये लोग करने लगे।
Yeah, you can give cricket any term that you want to. What we have seen is cricket has evolved. The way people are playing cricket is very different. You know, जब बहुत पहले जब वनडे आया था तो समथिंग वॉज कंसिडर्ड अ सेफ स्कोर. अब वो बोलते हैं यार ये तो 20 ओवर में भी सेफ नहीं है. सो you know, when you give something a term, it becomes much more interesting because you start talking about it, you start relating to it. But at the end of the day, what is it? It's a way to play cricket. Some people want to play aggressive cricket. You know, some people want to play authentic cricket. A lot of that depends on the kind of team you have got, whether they can change the way they play that cricket. You know, it's something that is very important. Not if there's something that can be done, not everyone can do it. You know, like let's say somebody like a Bumrah, he can bowl 6 Yorkers. Imagine somebody who's not able to do that. If you still ask him, he may improve over a period of time, but he may end up giving a lot of runs till that point. So what is important is to realize the strength of your team, and according to the strength of the team, you decide which is the way you want to play cricket. Maybe you want to change the way you play cricket, but it takes time. It doesn't happen that overnight you decide, अच्छा कल से हम ऐसा करेंगे. It doesn't happen. So you need to give time to individuals because they have played maybe 10, 12, 15 years of cricket since they started, and they have a certain way of playing cricket. You know, so you need to give them that time to change the way they play their cricket.